from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Henrico and state crews tackle the pothole problem, and two measures that would have provided more oversight over data center development projects are tabled by the General Assembly. We'll tell you about them in today's Henrico News Minute for Monday, March 9th, 2026. A very foggy start to the day, but we're headed for a high of 79 under Mosley's sunny skies. The News Minute is brought to you today by the Reed Center.
And now for the news.
Well, the winter storms we got in recent weeks and the associated plowing of streets has left a number of potholes region-wide, including in Henrico. Crews from VDOT and Henrico County Public Works have been working around the clock to fix them. Public Works Director Terrell Hughes said Henrico crews have been working about 6 days a week to identify and repair potholes as they find them. VDOT is responsible for all state roads in the county as well as interstates. A state road is one that carries a route number. Henrico County officials are responsible for all other roads. Our community vitality reporter Dina Weinstein takes a deeper look at the process. Right now you can read her article on henricocitizen.com. And if you see a pothole on a Henrico road, you can email dpwroads@henrico.gov or report it by calling 804-501-4393. On a state road or interstate, report that pothole to VDOT at 1-800-367-7623. Henrico Police are investigating after a body was discovered in the James River in Varina on Friday. At about 1:14 p.m., police and fire units responded to the 5600 block of Old Osborne Turnpike following reports of a person in the river. Police crews with assistance from fire crews located and recovered the body of an adult male. Anyone with information should call Henrico Police at 804-501-5000 or submit tips anonymously through Metro Richmond Crime Stoppers by calling 804-780-1000 or online at p3tips.com. If you're like many people, your Dominion Energy power bill may have shown a significant increase recently. That's prompted some people to look toward solar. And in Henrico, the county has partnered with Dominion Energy for the Solar Access Henrico program. Through a $5 million fund, the county is helping to pay for solar panel installations for 250 families in the county, and there's funding left for at least 100 more installations. If you are interested, you can learn more about eligibility right now on our website, henricocitizen.com, by looking for this article from our partners with WTVR. And the Virginia General Assembly has tabled two bills that sought to give the State Corporation Commission some additional oversight over data centers and manufacturing facilities and how much energy they may use. The bills would have allowed the SCC to review how those proposed high-load users would impact not only the environment but also energy reliability, and gauge if there was sufficient infrastructure in place to support the power needs of a particular project. Both bills, though, were met by fierce opposition and tabled for the year. Proponents of the measures said that they would have provided an extra layer of review in addition to local government review. But opponents and those from the data center industry said that the bills would have set up more roadblocks for the industry that already has to go through multiple permitting processes. You can read more about this topic right now on our website from our partners at Virginia Mercury. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Read RVA. Did you know that more than 100,000 adults in Richmond struggle with reading? Together we can change that. Learn more at readrva.org.